In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get level 2 on Webull. If you've only ever seen the single best buy and sell price on your screen, level 2 is a genuine upgrade. Instead of just one price on each side, you get the 50 best bids and asks stacked up, giving you a much clearer picture of real market depth and where the actual buying or selling pressure is sitting. Let's dive right in. Here's the good news right off the bat. You don't need to do anything special to try it out first. Every new Webull account automatically gets a free 1-month trial of level 2 quotes, powered by NASDAQ Total View, the moment you finish registering. No separate sign up, no extra step, it's just there, waiting for you. Once that free month runs out, if you want to keep it going, it becomes a paid subscription, and it's genuinely affordable at $2.99 a month for a regular individual account. One detail worth knowing before you subscribe: this charge doesn't come out of your actual trading balance the way a stock purchase would. It's billed separately through a third-party payment method instead. So when you go to subscribe, you'll choose between PayPal, the Google Play Store, or Apple Pay to handle the payment. To actually subscribe or resubscribe once your free trial wraps up, open the Help Center within the Webull app and look for the option to subscribe to Level 2. Follow the prompts from there, select the Level 2 quotes package, and complete the payment through whichever method you prefer. Now, here's a genuinely useful tip if you're trading options rather than stocks. Webull also offers the options equivalent of this data, called Oprah Real-Time Data, and you can actually get it completely free instead of paying separately. The only requirement is that you're approved for options trading and place at least one options trade every calendar month to keep it active. To turn it on, head to the options chain screen inside the app and tap Get Started under Oprah Real-Time Data. One more thing worth knowing if you use both: Webull also offers a bundled premium subscription that combines Level 2 and Oprah Real-Time Data together in a single package, which can be worth a look if you're regularly relying on both rather than managing them separately. And that covers it. Enjoy your free first month automatically, and if you want to keep Level 2 going afterward, it's a quick trip to the Help Center and a couple dollars a month from there. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.